I'm eating sweet potato. Sweet potato because I'm hungry. I'm hungry because I just done cleaning, and then that's why I ate my potato. My potato. You want potato? This is sweet potato. And someone asked me, and someone asked me, tagaay ko. She always chatting, give me. You know who you are? You know who you are already? Very nice. Oh, boiled. Oh, boiled is not boiled. Yeah, I think boiled because this is cooked in water, right? Hot water. So I think this is boiled potato. Yeah, boiled potato. Yeah. Potato boiled. I'm not sure take a bath because I'm just done cleaning here. So tired. But much but 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 the tired is when you love someone. So better if you love someone, just better cleaning lah. Even you're tired in cleaning, you still alive. But if you love, and then you're tired, you will die. You will die because you love, right? You know that? So don't comment Tagalog there. Just comment English only. No comment. No Tagalog comment there. No more Taglish. Only English speaking. Okay? Very nice. You know what? I told him that you looks like kamote. And then said, why? Then I said, because you're my sweet potato. I'd like to eat sweet potato. Happy people.